Today is the last day of my follow-up checkup, endoscopy. Wala na. Clear na yung ilong ko, wala na mga polyp, mga maliliit na polyp, at maayos na din yung airway ko. Inayos ni doctor. Wala na din yung sakit ng lalamunan ko, and wala na din yung diarrhea caused by taking antibiotic. Yung sa lalamunan pala, masakit siya kasi dahil siya sa may hinugot na tubo. Yun yung sabi ni doctor kanina. So, first week, merong tapal yung ilong ko. Malaking gasa. After 5 days, tinanggal siya. And then, nakakahinga na ako sa ilong. Pero hindi ako makalunok. Masakit siya. Masakit yung ilong ko. Dumudugo siya. So, for the second week, masakit yung ilong ko. Masakit yung lalamunan ko. Hindi ako makalunok ng maayos. And after 7 days of taking, and on the 7th day of taking the antibiotic, nag-start naman yung diarrhea ko. Madali lang yung surgery, pero yung after surgery ng mga recovery, mga gagawin, yun yung mahirap. May sipon lang ako ngayon, kaya hirapan ako magsalita. But I'm so thankful kasi nakakahinga ako. Hindi katulad ng mga nakaraang taon. Pag sinisipan ako, talagang barado yung ilong ko, masakit yung ulo ko, gusto ko lang matulog. At kapag matutulog naman ako, nakaupo lang ako. And actually, this is my second surgery. The first one was when I was 14, second year high school, 20 years ago. Yeah, 21. And then, second time is this. To avoid growing yung polyp sa ilong ko dahil nga may allergies ako. Sa dust, sa pollen, binigyan nila ako ng nasal spray para ma-avoid yun. And I need to go back after 3 or 4 months kay doctor para masilip ulit yung ilong ko. Okay, why am I telling you this? Because I used my HMO, which was cited sa digital book ko that I will be releasing on November 7, 2025. It's available for pre-order. Yes. Kasama yun sa mga sinulit ko. And why is it important to have an HMO as a young professional? Kung hindi man kayo employed, at least have that as a freelancer. MaxiCare, PhilCare, they offer HMO. Depende sa age nyo yung babayaran. And then they also have an prepaid emergency card. I think that's 6,000 or 7,000 pesos that you can use for a year. Yun yung term niya, pero for emergency use, isang beses mo lang siya pwedeng gamitin. Depende din sa coverage niya. Depende din yung coverage niya sa amount na babayaran mo. There, so it's really important. I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope that you sign up for the pre-order of my book, Broke, Busy, and Budgeting: How Not to Suck at Money in Metro Manila. Okay, bye!